Okay, so hi guys. This is a very out of nowhere vlog. So, quick kwento. I just came back from Las Piñas. Sinamahan ko yung daddy ko to drop off one of our cars for a detail or something. Basta yun. Tapos, I came back like an hour ago. Tapos, I just had my brunch kasi hindi pa ako kumakain. Tapos, when I came into my room, ito yung nakita ko. Like, literally, hindi ko pa siya ginagalaw. Like, edi pagpasok ko, ayan, hindi ako nag-ayos ng bed. Sinatap ko na yung light ko. Ngayon lang yan. So, like, literally, pagkapasok ko, sabi ko, like mga 5 seconds akong gano'n, nakakatulala, sabi ko, ano to? Parang nagsisink in pala, bakit may ganito sa table ko? So, parang dun lang nag-sink in sa akin na, shit, binilan ako ng nanay ko. So, yun. So, funny lang. Tapos nag-chat ako sa nanay ko. Sabi ko, ano yan? Sabi ko, gusto ko kasi verbatim. Sabi ko sa nanay ko, ikaw ba naglagay nito sa table? Tapos pinicturan ko. Like, ayan oh, hindi ko pa ginagalaw oh. Tapos hindi siya nagre-reply. Tapos pumasok siya sa kwarto ko bigla. Galing siyang office. Tapos sabi niya, kaya ka pala hindi nagre-reply? Sabi niya, haba, hindi man lang nagte-text sa akin o hindi man lang nagchat-chat, wala man lang thank you. Sabi ko, kakakita ko lang. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Kumain kasi ako. So, thank you, mom. Tagal ko itong inaantay. Like, more than 1 month na yung iPad. Wala pa akong pencil, wala pa akong keyboard, wala pa akong Airpods. Pero ito pa yung nakakatawa talaga. Ito yung highlight dito. Meron siyang kasamang rosary. Sabi ko, mama, bakit may kasamang rosary? Sabi niya, magpakabait daw ako. Ganun ba yun? So, ayan. Also, my perfume. So, what I am going to be doing is just going to do a very, very, very quick unboxing. I haven't prepared my set, my YouTube set. So, this is going to be a very raw vlog. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm going to say I'm sorry because of the ugly setting. I'm not prepared because all of my mess is still here. But I just really, really want to open this right away. Ayoko na mag-set up pa to wait to open this because I have waited for so long. So, ayan, as you can see, hindi ko alam bakit nilagay niya dito. Anong box to? Sira-sira pa yung box. Kung ano man to. Pero, it's not the box that counts. It's the thought. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So, okay. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. First of all, rosary ni Padre Pio. Padre Pio. Hindi pa ito Padre Pio. Ang bobo ko. Si Pope pala to. Hindi pa rin sa Padre Pio. Pope. Kalimutan ko ano pangalan ng Pope. Kailangan ko na talagang magsimba. So, ito nga yung may amoy. Ba't yung case inamoy ko? So, ito yung... So, there's a rosary. Scented rosary. My mom said, magpakabait daw ako. So, sige po. So, the next thing here is a Bulgari perfume. Like, I'm not really expecting this, pero... Bango. Hindi naman ako masyado nagpapabango. I'm not the perfume type of guy kasi first of all, hindi na naman ako masyado lumalabas. Sa bahay lang ako, alam magpabango pa ako, diba? So, pero, hindi ko alam ano unahin ko. So, sige, siguro let's open the Airpods first. Kasi, itong dalawa, never ko pang na-experience. Like, hindi ko pa siya na-experience with the iPad. Pero ito kasi, si Sean kasi merong Airpods, tapos na-try ko na siya with my iPad. So, like, I already know what to expect. So, yeah, let's open this. So, there's a pull tab right here. Actually, kagabi, wait lang, fun kwento lang. Kagabi kasi, kahapon, kaka-update ko lang ng iOS 14. Tapos, like, may update doon na spatial audio. I don't know much about that, pero it seems so interesting. Tapos sabi ko, ano kaya feeling nun? Tapos, sobrang ilang minutes or sobrang tagal kong nanonood about the Airpods and the spatial audio with the iOS 14. So, Okay, let's for real open this na. Ay, ayaw na magpabukas. Ay, nasira. Ganun. Bobo ko magbukas. Excited much. Wow! So, ayan siya. Fun fact! Another fun fact. Before I really open this. Early this year, meron ako sinulat na wishlist. So, I don't know if you guys could read it. Pero, nakalagay dito iPad Pro, Smartfolio Keyboard, Apple Pencil, iPhone 12. Fingers crossed, iPhone 12. Airpods Pro, Apple Watch, tapos yung Sony camera. So, parang ngayon ko lang nag-sink in sa akin na, God, that's almost half of my wish list for this year. Oh my God. So, thank you, Mom, again. Let's open this. Oh my God. See your usual stuff. Let's open this. Meron ba tong ano? Meron ba tong sticker? Parang walang sticker. Sige, balik natin yan dito. Ayaw niya bumalik. So, right here, ang ingay ng tita ko. So, nandito siya. Airpods. So, let's see what else is inside the box. Okay. Sorry. So, right here, merong yung dalawang size of buds, like the small, the large, tapos yung naka-attach, I assume, is the medium. Ayan, nakalagay may S, tapos may L. Tapos, the cable. Wala pala siyang brick. Like the adapter. But it's okay. I have naman extra adapters. So this is the charger and the buds. Tapos let's for real open this na. Oh my God. Wow. Ooh, could you guys see the light? I don't know kung nakikita yung light. Ayan, naka-on siya. So, I'll pair this later, pero as you can see... Oh! Ay, ang dumi pa ng tenga ko, kadiri. Kadiri! Ang dumi ng tenga ko. Ang inong tita ko. Bakas ang boses sa labas. May nakap, no? Bakit? Nagbibidyo ako. Hello ka. Hello ka. Asaan? Hello! May kumakatok sa bintana. Bye-bye. Okay, so now let's open the Apple Pencil na muna. I have never touched an Apple Pencil. Weird man, pero that's true. I have never touched an Apple Pencil. Ooh. Satisfying. Ooh. So, ayan yung Apple Pencil. Let's open this. Ano ba ito buksan? Oh, may tab pala siya sa gilid. Sorry ha, Bano ha? Sorry. Oh, so, hinihila siya. Again, paperworks that I will not go through right now. Kasi I'm so excited for this one! Kita ba? Ayan. Kita ba? Ayan. Oh my God! Okay, so let's open this. Paano ba ito? Okay. Ang alam ko ha, I'm not really watching much Apple Pencil videos, pero if I'm not mistaken, it automatically will pair with the iPad. Let's see if that will work. So yeah, I already updated with the iOS 14. Wow! Amazing! Welcome to Apple Pencil. Wait lang, try writing. Oh, ang galing! Ang galing! Wait lang, let's try with notes. Wow! Okay, mamaya ako na siya i-explore. Masyado pa ako nababalo. Pero, what is back here? Tapos, let's unbox naman the... last but not the least, of course, the Smartfolio Keyboard. So, first of all, you guys might be wondering why I wanted the Smartfolio Keyboard over the new Magic Keyboard. First of all, obviously because of the price. I think that's 16,000 or 17,000. Tapos this one is 9,999. So 6,000 or 7,000 plus din yung difference. And the thing is kasi, although the upside to having the Magic Keyboard is you have a floating screen and also the trackpad and the backlit keyboard, I don't think I really need that. Kasi the main feature for the Smartfolio Keyboard kasi is that it can flip like a real iPad. So like, ganito siya. Tapos nagaganon din siya. So if you have the Magic Keyboard, you cannot do that. So I read kasi na if you have a laptop, which I do, it's better if you get the Smartfolio Keyboard rather than the Magic Keyboard. But if you have a desktop or if you don't have a laptop, go for the Magic Keyboard. So mas convenient for me yung Smartfolio Keyboard. So let's open this. Ganun pala. Ang daming kalat. I'm so sorry, guys. Ooh. Okay, actually medyo kinakabahan ako kanina kasi natakot ako, sabi ko, bahala baka hindi for iPad Pro 2020 yung kunin kasi ang alam lang ng mom ko is I have the iPad Pro 11-inch. Nakalimutan ko sabihin na meron nga palang 2020 and 2018 kasi yung 2018, one camera lang sa likod and then the iPad Pro has dual camera and also the LiDAR, so may malaking square siya. Good thing it's for the iPad Pro 2020 nga. So, I'm just so hyped up. Let's open this. Like, it's a matte finish. And then there's like Apple logo. Tapos, when you open. Wow. Again, I assume these are the paperworks. Pero kaya ano to? Apple, like, sticker. Wala siyang Apple sticker. Kailan pa nagkakaroon ng Apple sticker, guys? Tell me nga in the comment section down below. Like, sorry, I'm an Apple newbie. But so far, I'm really loving the ecosystem of Apple. Okay, let's take this off. So this case nga pala, it's great for like when you're watching, you're writing. Yeah, this is great. Wala akong masabi sa case na to. So this is it. Bare. Ang alam ko again, since it's Apple, magnet lang siya. So let's see if it automatically... Wow. Like, just like that. It already sticks. Like, see that, guys? Tatakot ako pero okay. So, ang maganda dito, even if it's like that, accidentally mo siya matouch, wala. So, magkoconnect lang siya if na-connect mo siya sa magnet. Like, hear that? Tapos, hello! Oh my god. I love the sound though. Yun yung sobrang tagal ko nang hinahanap sa iPad. Left, right, up, down key, tapos yung shift. Kasi syempre, if you're using a tablet, like, if you have to select or like go somewhere, you have to long press. And it kind of takes time, lalo na if nagmamadali ka. So with that, like, okay, so recap. I am going to be doing a more detailed video about these tools next time. This is just really an unboxing video. Apple Pencil and then the Airpods. I am so stoked. I'm so excited to get to know this stuff. Probably for the next few hours, I'm just going to be sitting down, playing with these new devices. So I guess that is all for our vlog today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Put your thoughts in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe. And remember, this is Casey Gardner, where your world meets mine. Coming out. Bye!